I'm indisposed at the minute, so bitch, limit your imagery. Defy physics, so you can find gimmicks to mimic me. Try spinning it cynically with the bitterest enemy. Mix it with sinisters, living within the vicinity. Never ended, pretend to be a
Naila, Sir Crash a lot.
Despite writing the music to move, I do what it do, but never done, did what it doesn't.
And we're off. Sir Crash a lot had a 5-second penalty. There was a little crash of Filano, but now we have 4 people in the air and flying. By the looks of it, we have
Nails 29.5
in the lead. Oh, hang on,
Carbon
we have Nails in the lead.
33.3.
Carbon V second.
Sir Crash a lot 36.4. Filano
And Sir Crash a lot in 4th place. So, Nails finished 2 laps.
Carbon V 28.8. Sir Crash a lot 28.5.
Carbon V positions
Filano
are now Nails,
28.5.
Carbon, Filano, Sir Crash a lot. Nails almost done with the race. Last corner, the double 360. The last straight.
Nails 30.6.
And there's a win for Nails. Filano,
Sir Crash a lot 29.1.
crashed, and we have Sir Crash a
Filano
lot in last place.
29.2.
So we have flown 3 rounds, and we have 3 winners so far. Once by Filano, Nails, and Sir Crash a lot, who just
1 minute
can't
left.
get enough of the circles.
Sir Crash a lot 26.5. 45 seconds left.